Good day, I'm Andrea Chisholm and this is your JIS News for August 21. Jamaica's promotional and marketing efforts in London during the 2012 Olympic Games successfully generated numerous trade and investment gains for the island. Industry, Investment and Commerce Minister Anthony Hilton announced Monday that the team in London met with some 500 potential investors, distributors and business potential partners during business sessions organized by JAMPRO. He says 13 solid investment leads were made in key sectors such as ICT business process outsourcing, clothing, furniture and light manufacturing, waste to energy, medical wellness resorts, and Jamaican drink and food export to the UK.
But JAMPRO was able to connect a shipping and distribution logistics provider to handle the export of fresh and processed foods by the Ministry of Agriculture to the UK.
In addition to nearly $14 million in retail sales from the Jamaica shop and events at Brixton and Birmingham, important connections were also made by many small and medium-sized enterprises that displayed or sold products to the UK consumers.
A number of buyers have purchased unsold stock of some of the suppliers, and JAMPRO and JBDC have received numerous queries from distributors in the marketplace for products displayed in the UK.
The minister says even more importantly, Brand Jamaica benefited from immeasurable media exposure that will be harnessed to secure lasting benefits from the London promotional activities. On the tourism side of things, meanwhile, Jamaica has secured an additional 36,000 airlift seats out of the United Kingdom from summer into next year. Tourism and Entertainment Minister Dr. Wickham McNeil says 25,000 airlift seats have been secured for next year, with the UK-based Virgin Holidays confirming another flight from Gatwick in London to Montego Bay.
And TUI finalized an extra fortnightly flight for the winter to Montego Bay and weekly flights in the summer from Gatwick, Manchester and Birmingham. This would add 11,000 new seats. Of note is that two of these three gateways have large diaspora populations.
The minister also announced that between May and August so far, there have been over 32,000 additional arrivals, representing a more than 6% increase over last year. To further leverage the gains from the Olympics, 1,500 travel agents have been invited to visit Jamaica in 5 rotations starting September 6. Minister with responsibility for sport, Natalie Nita Headley, says government is prepared to work with the diaspora to give Jamaicans abroad an opportunity to invest in the country through sport.
We will guide the way, we will facilitate the process, but we invite all Jamaicans and all peoples across the world. Jamaica is open for business and sports. Bring your entrepreneurial spirit, bring your money. We have the facilities. We have the talent. Come on board and make Jamaica proud.
Mrs. Nita Headley was speaking at the launch of the 8th annual Chase Courtney Walsh Awards at Cuddy Sport Bar in New Kingston recently. Jamaicans can feel assured that those who fly in our airspace are doing so safely. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Transport, Works and Housing, Dr. Maurice Guy, says that was affirmed at the exhibition now on display by the Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority at its headquarters in Kingston. The minister, who was touring the exhibition this week, says he was happy to be informed that a newly established Jamaican airline, Fly Jamaica, might be close to receiving the green light to take flight.
Fly Jamaica, which is a company which I gather is wholly owned by Jamaicans and former Air Jamaica staffers, and I also gather that they are undergoing the final approval stage before the Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority will give them the go-ahead to start flying.
And finally, some 2,000 residents in the community of Top Quarter, Smithville, Clarendon are now benefiting from improved roadways after the Jamaica Social Investment Fund upgraded 1.3 kilometers of roadway in the area. The $30.54 million project included the upgrading and rehabilitation of the road starting at the intersection of Thompson Town through to Cornhill. It's part of JSIF's community investment program that's funded by the Caribbean Development Bank. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.